You've got to realize the laws of success and excellence that every single human being lives under. And these are some timeless pieces of wisdom that you need to embrace and really embrace as your attitude. The first one is you reap what you sow. In your leadership, if you commit yourself to disciplined action, if you commit yourself to being an excellent communicator, to using your time well, to mastering strategic planning, to managing yourself, you will reap what you sow. And if you don't, you will reap what you sow. And what you've got to do as a leader is very simply, if you're going to achieve excellence, you have to embrace the suck. You have to embrace the pain associated with excellence. You have to get after that pain. You have to allow that pain to drive you towards exactly what you should do. It's just like if you have a garden and you take an apple seed, you plant it in the ground. In order for the apple tree to grow, that seed has to die. If it doesn't die, if it doesn't break apart, if it doesn't sacrifice itself, there's no apple tree, there's no fruit. But if it does, there's a ton of fruit. And it's the same with you. You must embrace that attitude of self-sacrifice in order to achieve excellence. Because if you don't, you never will get to where you want to go as a leader. So take joy in things that are unpleasant, those difficult conversations. And I don't mean in some sort of sadistic way, but simply understand that these difficult conversations are absolutely essential if your business and your leadership is going to be successful. So maintain your attitude on a daily basis. This is really, really key. I encourage you, get yourself a routine as a leader before each day where you're strengthened in your inner person, strengthened in your soul and your mind and your spirit, so that you can get out into the hurly-burly of your leadership opportunities with a good attitude. Understanding that the only way to success is through the pain of difficult decisions and difficult choices, the pain of tough conversations, and you must embrace that. So I encourage you to develop that kind of attitude.